Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So nothing much we can say about yesterday. Just zooming down a bit, still got all the levels in from most of the week, but at this stage we have a pin bar and rejection of levels higher up. We closed on 39.79, so basically we are just swinging above and below 14,000 at the moment, and mucking around aimlessly, waiting for the Americans to figure themselves out. And it would be really, really great if these markets weren't so interlinked and reliant on each other, because then you'd have a much clearer view of what's going on. But somebody, let's actually not go there. But anyway, some American politician had to be on his bonnet about something, and the whole market follows, or some idiot starts tweeting stuff and the whole market follows. So the way the financial systems are set up at the moment is not really conducive to trends at the moment. So it's really driving this kind of price action, and that in itself is a bit of an issue. But anyway, it will sort itself out eventually. So on the 3 hour, look at these tails to the up, look at the tails to the downside, ranging, confusion, big up, big down, big confusion, barbed wire. Doesn't matter what you want to look at. You take one look at that chart from a distance and you're confused. Which way is it going, up or down? And that's exactly what it is telling you. There is absolutely no reason to be long or short on that. If you look at this on the hour, what is it telling you? Exactly the same thing. 2 days of just chaos. Look at these tails to the downside, tails to the upside. Yesterday was just complete chaos. Then we had this bit of a sell-off, not as big as what it was on the US markets, only 1%. But anyway, that was based on algorithm deciding what people, human beings, are talking about. And anyway, so there's nothing really to be trading here. I think that's the bottom line I'm getting to. Even if I drop to the 15 minutes, and I've been saying it for 2 days, it's probably time to drop to the 15 minutes and start looking for opportunities. But if you go back to day before yesterday, where was your opportunity? Yes, you look in hindsight and you see there's a consolidation, and if it breaks below there, I've got a potential entry. But you don't want to. My rules are quite simple. If it does break through there, let's just put a level in there. If it does break that level, I want to retest. The retest is successful, that's my entry with a stop up there. It's I'm a lot more confident in that trade. So didn't materialize. Yesterday we sort of dropped to a pin bar. Look for my second signal. Look at the chaos in my second signal. Look at the tails. There's nothing clean. There's no real structure. And then we start flipping. Now we look at yesterday, up and down, above and below, double top. So this is possibly an indication we need to look at. But being around 1400, not really the area you want to be trading either, because look at the volatility around 1400. So the line in the sand at the moment is 1400. There it is, right there. And you can see how we broke below it. We've closed below it on the daily again. And now what's the next step? So at the moment, the futures market is fairly flat. We're just looking where we are. The DAX is very flat. So jury's out. What are we going to do today? Me, I'm sitting on hands. Non-farm payrolls is coming. And this confusion, there's nothing here that is telling me to buy or sell right now. So we're not in this market, staying away from it. Another week that I'm out of the DAX. It's been the longest time that I've not traded the DAX in the last 6-7 years. So yeah, it's pretty difficult conditions at the moment. Anyway, that's me for today. Definitely not bothering with this. May look at some things after non-farm payrolls, but DAX is not interesting me at all. I think I'd rather keep my money to myself. Hope it helps somebody today. Stay safe, enjoy the weekend, and we'll catch up with you on Monday. Cheers for now.